So guys, hello! Today I prepared for you a very important and interesting topic about pain in your knees. So I think it's very actually topic for our nowadays because people unfortunately don't know how they can train carefully. Yes, and so non-dangerous. So let's begin, and I will be explain step by step how to solve this problem. Okay. First of all, we'll be also warming up. Why you need this warming up? Because warming up heat in our body. If you don't do warming up, you can't do so difficult exercise or elements in your training. So warming up is one of most important step in your training. Yes, so we have knee exercise training, and so we'll be hitting about our knee, but also if you're training only one part, warming up must be of every part of your body. Yes, not only knees, also I need training my leg, my elbows, my legs and my back. Yes, it's so important. So let's go. First of all, straight your back. If you want have good iniman, yes, don't this broken position, only this straight and beautiful. Yes, so also your elbows go back, yes, and your breast go straight. Yes, so and what we do, we move our head one side and another. So it's so easy. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, and circles. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and also another side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, also breathe in and breathe out. Okay, also do twist and also another side. Okay, so please sit in this position, wild position of your legs, also back. So I think I will do in the next videos exercise who helps us making iniman so straight and beautiful and great. Yes, I think it's very actually topic, but today knees, our knees. So if you can't bring back yourself, you also can stay in your hands. Yes, and what we do, we try put your knees to the floor, and also another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So please stay in this position. Yes, also bring your back. And what we do right now, we will do try to up and put your hip to the straight side. Yes, and down. So let's go. 1, 2. In this exercise you're training two parts at the same time, because you have warming up for our knees and also we have warming up to our hips. So it's so this exercise have a lot of benefits. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so pull and also change your position. Yes, and let's go. 1, 2, 3. Straight your back, please. 4, 5, 6, 7 and also 8. Okay, cool. Also right now do circles by your knees. Don't be so furious. Yes, and your tempo also with Okay, cool. So let's go to more difficult exercise. Also, if your knees are soft, yes, you feel everything, bring a pillow, yes, something soft, and put your pillow for your knees, yes, for comfortable exercise. So sit down. For this exercise you also need to have good flexibility of your hips. If you do this, it's also good, don't worry. And what we do in this exercise, we put your hand to your knees and will be, yes, provide 4 circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and also 8. So let's change the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, in this position also try put your knees by this size. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so also breathe in and breathe out. So let's change legs. Yes, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, and also try to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, also breathe in and breathe out. After this warming up, you also can try squat. Yes, it's also good exercise for your knees, but if you will do this carefree, yes, don't fast. And if you will have good position if your feet, yes, you know, but if you will non-correct this squat, it will be so dangerous also for knees and for hips. Yes, so but right now I want to show you safe exercise squat for your hips and also knees. Yes, let's go. So stay in this position. If your hands don't touch the floor, please bring something, for example, yoga blocks or something, books and also pillow, something who what helps you touch, yes, some platforms. So also don't make this position of your back only straight. And what we do, you can see my feet in so straight position, not this, so straight position. And what we do, breathe in and breathe out straight to seat. Yes, and also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, and also stay in this position. If you can sit lower, you can, but we straight back. Yes, and so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, and go out from this position and also breathe in and breathe out. Okay, so guys, thank you so much that you choose my training, my educational of stretching. So I so happy and appreciate. Yes, your energy give me more power and I'm so happy. Yes. So thank you so much. This is training. Please share your opinion about this training. And so see you soon, guys. Bye bye.